Right, so I hung up a rope, I hung a whole bunch of bags, sort of similar bags, and I have hidden the 3 odours, in other words, clove, cypress, and anise or aniseed, in different bags. So there are 3 bags out there that each have a scent in a different scent, and the other bags are empty. I have never attempted to do nose work like this before. It's now been sitting for maybe less than 5 minutes, so I'm going to now get my dog ready and get the treats and all of that stuff, and then we will see how it goes. So join us while we do nose work with a difference. Are you ready? Okay. Got it. Good job. Good job. Yes, good job. Good secret. Oh, you are the smartest. Good boy. Really good. Yes, good job. Yeah, done.